very glad actually today because now Cayman as a country is at par with any other developed countries when you look at the testing capabilities or the treatment capabilities for this COVID pandemic with the introduction of this antibody testing, because everything else were there actually till now, because the PCR testing, the all modalities of treatment and our testing, you know that we are number 3 in the world now. If you look at the ratio, that shows our result also. I mean, we are one of the safest places on the earth now. If you look at the last few weeks, what the results is coming out. So now with the introduction of this antibody test, now it's we are complete. We have the antibody test and all the modalities of treatment that is available in the world now for this COVID pandemic. So it's very proud moment for me as a person and as a doctor and for the public also, because they can say that they are living in a country that is very safe. This is an antibody test. If you look at what is antibody means, when this virus infection gets into the body, the body will form antibodies to fight with that. Usually if the subsequent infection or entry of this virus into the body, these preformed antibodies will fight with this virus and we will not get an overt infection. So if you know that you have this antibody in your body, ideally you are safe because you are immune, kind of immune to the subsequent infection by the same virus, same strain of virus, because these virus strains can change. This is what we are measuring now by this antibody test. Public Health England has approved 2 antibody tests. One is by the Roche and other one is Abbott. So what we have is a Roche test for this antibody, and it is 100% sensitive and 99.8% specific. So it's very accurate testing, very simple procedure. We have to draw 3 cc of blood from your body. Within half an hour you get the report. That's what the importance of this test. You know whether you had an infection before or not. Sometimes you know that this COVID is many patients, up to 80% of it can be asymptomatic, but you might had that infection before. So once you do this test, you know, okay, I had this virus before and my body has produced enough antibodies, I'm reasonably safe. So this is especially very important for this frontline workers, healthcare workers, or this grocery shop or this gas station or this fire workers, all those things. So if the Roche test, what we are doing today, starting from today, will not differentiate whether you have IgM or IgG. When I say that IgM or IgG, there are 2 types of antibodies. One is IgM and IgG. This IgM is the antibody that is produced immediately after any virus comes to the body. And IgG is the one after some time, but that is the one is going to be staying in the body for long months or years. This will not differentiate whether it's IgM or IgG, but it will tell you that you have this antibody. So if somebody tests positive for this antibody, I will always prefer you do the PCR antigen test also, because if the antigen test is negative, PCR test is negative, that means you have IgG. You never had the recent infection. But if the antibody test is positive, it may be recent infection or past infection. But if the PCR test is negative, that means the infection was past and you have this immunity, IgG immunity. All the information of this antibody test will be shared with the public health, because it's a notifiable disease. So we are, by law, we have to share all this information with the public health. So we'll be sharing all this information with whether it is positive or negative, because this will help in a big way for this further studies about epidemiological studies and all that. So that is the importance of this test. Our priority is definitely the frontline workers, but if as a public, anybody wants to come in for this, do the test, we are doing that. And we are collaborating with private practitioners and some of the private clinics also. So they will be collecting the samples and sending to us, and we will be doing the test and informing them about the test result. I mean, we are also getting lot of queries from many firms, many organizations, and they want to do entire staff of their organization and all that. So we'll be doing in a big scale.